ŠKODA revealed the new Slavia, their second India-specific model, and this all-new coupe-like saloon with length of 4.55 meters offers generous amount of space for up to 5 people and has a boot capacity of 521 liters. Visually, it is recognizable by the massive grille and LED lights. The daytime running lights are always in LED technology, and optionally customers can spec the LED main units as well. Elegant LED lights at the rear feature the C shape of the signature, and customers will be able to choose between active, ambition and style trims. Also, there are 5 colors and 3 wheel designs available. Inside, the Slavia showcases the latest ŠKODA interior design concept. The freestanding infotainment touchscreen measuring up to 10 inches is the main star of the interior. 8-inch digital cockpit is available as an option as well. Speaking about the engines, the 3-cylinder 1-liter TSI produces 115 horsepower, while the 4-cylinder 1.5-liter TSI has an output of 150 horsepower. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car, subscribe for more and see you on the next one. Bye bye.